It can be hard to know where to start when you want to become a fashion expert. There are so many different areas of fashion, and it seems like everyone has their own opinion about what is in and what is not. If you're interested in becoming a fashion expert, the B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design course is the perfect place to start. This comprehensive course will teach you everything you need to know about the design process, fashion history, and more. You will be exposed to the latest trends in the international fashion scene. With this knowledge, you will be able to confidently enter the fashion industry as an expert. Hi, I am Rucha Karvenko. I am an assistant professor at Indian Institute of Fashion and Technology, Bengaluru. In this video, we will be talking about B.Sc, fees, eligibility, and everything else you need to know about the course. IIFT is one of India's leading fashion design colleges. We offer various courses in fashion design, fashion management, fashion styling, and boutique management. Today, I am going to be talking about our top ranked course, which is B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design. B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design is affiliated to Bangalore University. B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Designing is a comprehensive course that provides the students with the skills and knowledge needed to become fashion experts. This course is a distinct collaboration of science and art of apparel studies as well as elements of design. Students will be studying the art of fashion and apparel design for a period of 3 years, which is divided into 6 semesters. The course focuses on both theoretical and practical aspects of fashion design, technology as well as management. Some of the core subjects which will be taught in this course are pattern making and garment construction, fashion illustration and design, textile wet processing, apparel production, fashion retail, marketing and merchandising, draping, garment surface ornamentation, and fashion portfolio and design collection. They will also gain insight into fashion history and trends in order to understand the evolution of clothing styles throughout the time. Fashion designing is a competitive, glamorous, and ever-changing industry that requires knowledge and skills and dynamism to meet the challenges. B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design course helps you to adapt those needs of change. The course is designed by the experts in the fashion industry, incorporates the recent transformation of the fashion world to give necessary input and also guide the ambitious students who want to make it big into the fashion and apparel industry. B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design is a fashion course that prepares students to think creatively, critically, and divergently about the design process. Students learn to appreciate the universality of design, contextualize the design problems, and blend historical and global perspective with evolving trends as foundation for inspired design solutions. Students become the design innovators by learning to balance conventional design approaches with new emergent thinking. If you're interested in the course, then you would want to know the eligibility criteria. To get admission into B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design, you should have passed 2nd PUC or 10+2 either in Arts, Science or Commerce. If you have completed 3-year Diploma in IIFT, Textiles, Handlooms, Costume Design and Fashion, then you will be eligible for lateral entry. The admission process for B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design course is pretty straightforward. You can either visit our website and fill up the application form, after which one of our counselors will get in touch with you, and then you can take the admission process further. You can also get in touch with us directly. Website address and contact details are mentioned in the description section. Before you get into any kind of course, it's necessary to understand the syllabus first so that you gain a deeper understanding of what you are getting into. The B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design course offers an exciting opportunity to delve into the world of fashion design. It provides students with a comprehensive overview of the field, including studies in both traditional and modern approach to fashion design. So let's discuss the syllabus of B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design semester-wise. During semester 1, you will learn subjects like textile science, fundamentals of fashion design and basics of pattern making and sewing. B.Sc Fashion Design Semester 2 comprises of subjects like dyeing and printing in textiles, fashion design and illustration, garment detailing. B.Sc Fashion Design Semester 3 includes subjects like fashion art and design, apparel computer aided design and fashion makeover. During the semester 4, you will get to learn subjects like textile and apparel testing, apparel production, textile art and craft of India theory. Semester 5 includes subjects like fashion retail, marketing and merchandising, apparel computer aided design, fashion accessories, draping, needlecraft, internship training or craft documentation, banking and finance. The final semester, that is the 6th semester, includes subjects like entrepreneurship development, apparel computer aided design, garment surface ornamentation, apparel quality management, clothing culture and communication, fashion portfolio and design collection. There are numerous career opportunities that the B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design course has to offer. A B.Sc degree in fashion would arm a student with the knowledge to join entry-level managerial positions such as fashion coordinator, designers, fashion stylist, fashion analyst, production executives, photographers, freelancers, merchandisers, pattern makers, etc. At the end of the course, students will be confident enough to become even an entrepreneur by having their own boutique and releasing their own brands. Here are some of the top recruiter companies where you can get a job offer once you complete the B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design. Arrow, Diesel, Flying Machine, Lifestyle, Reliance, Aditya Birla, Pantaloons, Wildcraft, Tommy Hilfiger, United States Polo Association and a lot more. Apart from these companies, you can also assist seasoned designers to gain experience in the field. Additionally, having a B.Sc degree in Fashion and Apparel Design gives individuals the opportunity to continue their studies by pursuing advanced degrees such as Masters in Fashion Management, MSc in Fashion Designing, MA in Fashion Designing, etc. Those with a B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design can expect to be highly sought after by talent agencies and employers seeking experienced professionals who understand both creative and business sides of the fashion industry. With the right combination of education, experience, and creative insights, graduates of this program can expect to find a fulfilling and rewarding career in fashion design. The salary or pay scale for those with B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design can vary depending on the individual's experience and qualification. Generally, graduates of this program can expect to make an average annual salary between 3 to 4.5 lakh per annum as a fresher. Depending on your skills and expertise, you may also have opportunities to pursue higher salaries in the fashion industry, especially once you gain the experience working for a well-known brand designer. You may also find employment opportunities as freelance fashion designers or even open your own business. And one last thing, we also offer value-added course, Diploma in Fashion Styling and Communication at no extra cost. Subjects like fashion psychology, fashion styling, fashion communication, fashion photography, fashion journalism, which are not covered in the B.Sc syllabus, will be a part of the value-added course, which makes the course a complete package. Isn't that fantastic? So if you are a budding designer, stylist or an entrepreneur, sign up for the B.Sc in Fashion and Apparel Design course today and start your journey to becoming a fashion expert. Take advantage of this opportunity now and make sure you're up to date with the latest trends. All you need to do is call the number shown below. Our academic counselor will guide you through the admission process. Admissions are open, so book your seats today. Thank you.